Hello friends, welcome to your channel Crash Course for the Engineers. Today's topic is Plan, Do, Check and Act. It is generally called as PDCA. Now this Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle is a four-step model for carrying out change. Just as a circle has no end, the PDCA cycle should be repeated again and again for continuous improvement. In the course of industrial engineering, we are asking for the continuous improvement. Now, this PDCA cycle is considered as a project planning tool. Now, let us go into the details of PDCA cycle. This PDCA cycle is also known as Deming cycle, is a systematic method for improving processes through an iterative approach. Now, there are four phases of this approach. First is a plan, second is do, then check, and after that, act. Now, this framework is widely used in various industries like manufacturing, business management, and healthcare, in the motto of increasing efficiency and to ensure the continuous improvement. The organizations leverage PDCA to identify problems, implement solutions, monitor outcomes, and make necessary adjustment. By continuously refining their strategies, companies enhance the productivity and maintain a competitive edge. During this presentation, we'll explore each phase in detail and examine how PDCA fosters a culture of continuous development. Now, the first phase of PDCA cycle is a plan stage, where the organizations define their goals and outline a clear path to achieve them. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for continuous improvement. To begin with, the company must identify the problem. So this is the first step they aim to solve, ensuring that the objective is clear and measurable. Using a data-driven approach, they gather the relevant information to understand the root causes and make informed decisions. Finally, a strategic action is developed, detailing the necessary steps, responsibilities, and resources required for the implementation. So, identifying the problem, after that, uh, gathering of the data related to the problem, and development of action plan. Now, by establishing a well-defined plan, businesses increase their chances of successful execution in the next phases of PDCA. Next phase is do phase of the PDCA cycle, which focuses on the implementation of the plan in a controlled and a strategic manner. Instead of rolling out the changes on a large scale immediately, Organization begin with a pilot testing to evaluate feasibility and identify potential issues. During this execution, the teams follow the predefined steps, ensuring alignment with the action plan. This phase also involves real-time monitoring and data collection, which will be crucial in the next phase when evaluating the outcomes. By methodically implementing changes, organizations can mitigate risk and set the stage for informed decision making in the next PDCA phase. After the do phase, next is the check phase, is where organization assess the effectiveness of their actions. This phase involves measuring the performance by comparing the actual result to expected outcome to determine if the implementation is on track. By carefully analyzing the data, terms can identify gaps between planned and actual performance. If significant deviation is detected, the root cause analysis is performed to understand what went wrong and why. Finally, on the basis of these insights, organizations make critical decisions on whether to proceed as planned, make adjustments, or completely redesign their approach. This phase ensures that improvements are data-driven and strategically refined before moving forward. Next phase is Act phase, focuses on reinforcing successful changes and making further refinements. If the improvements have been effective, they are standardized and integrated into daily operations. However, if issues were identified in check phase, corrective actions are implemented to address deficiencies. This ensures that lessons learned contribute to enhanced performance. PDCA is a continuous improvement loop like a circle, meaning the cycle don't end at any point. Organizations must revisit the process, identify new opportunities for enhancement, and refine strategies to sustain long-term growth. Now, the PDCA is widely adopted across various industries to drive efficiency and continuous improvement. One of the most well-known example is Toyota, in which PDCA in its lean manufacturing approach was implemented to eliminate waste and optimize production. In the same fashion, healthcare institutions implement PDCA to reduce medical errors, streamline workflow, and enhance patient care. In the software industry, agile teams rely on PDCA principles to continuously test, iterate, and improvement product. These real-world examples demonstrate how PDCA fosters innovation, efficiency, and adaptability in various sectors. The benefits of PDCA cycle. Now, the organizations adopt PDCA cycle because it delivers significant benefits across various industries. One key advantage is enhanced efficiency by systematically analyzing and refining processes. Businesses can eliminate redundancies and improve workflow. Another major benefit is continuous improvement. PDCA fosters a culture where teams regularly assess and enhance their strategies for long-term successes. Moreover, PDCA is rooted in data-driven decision making, ensuring that changes are backed by real insights rather than assumptions. This structured approach minimizes risk and leads to more informed strategic growth. Now, with the benefits comes the challenges. While PDCA is a powerful tool for continuous improvement, it comes with its own set of challenges. Now, the very primary concern is that it can be time consuming as the process involves repeated iterations. Achieving results may take longer than expected. Another common issue is resistance to change, as employees may be reluctant to adopt to ongoing modifications in their workflow. Additionally, PDCA's effectiveness depends on data quality. Without accurate, reliable data, the evaluation and decision-making phases can lead to ineffective improvements. Recognizing these limitations help the organization develop strategies to overcome. Now, PDCA is many of the times compared with other improvement models. PDCA is flexible, cyclical approach, ideal for iterative processes. It is widely used in industries due to its adaptability. Six Sigma, on the other hand, is highly data-driven methodology that aims to minimize defects and variability, making it particularly useful for manufacturing and quality control. Meanwhile, Kaizen emphasizes continuous small-scale improvement and fosters a culture of long-term innovation. While these models share a goal of enhancing processes, organizations often combine elements from multiple methodologies to achieve optimal results. Now, from this session or presentation, the PDCA cycle is a proven framework for continuous improvement across various industries. Its iterative nature ensures that processes are constantly refined and optimized for better results. The key strength of PDCA is its data-driven approach, where decisions are informed by measurable performance indicators rather than assumptions. This methodology enhances the reliability and effectiveness in achieving business goals. PDCA is widely applicable across fields such as manufacturing, healthcare, and software development. By embracing PDCA, organizations can foster a culture of sustained innovation and operational excellence. Friends, during this session, I have tried to cover the very important aspects of PDCA cycle, its advantages, the challenges, and applications. Thank you for watching the video. If you are liking the content, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.